In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all files in a channel on desktop. This is a quick, reliable way to find every image, video, or document that's been shared in a specific conversation, so you don't have to scroll endlessly through messages. Whether you're tracking down a proposal, revisiting an image, or gathering all assets from a project channel, this method keeps everything organized and easy to access. First, open the channel or direct message you want to inspect. This matters because the files you're about to see are scoped to that one conversation. If you open a project channel, you'll see every file shared by anyone in that channel. If you open a one-on-one DM or a group DM, you'll only see what's been shared within that private thread. Think of it as a focused library dedicated to that space. With the conversation open, look toward the top of the window and click the Files tab. This tab sits in the header area of the conversation and switches your view from messages to a dedicated file gallery. Once you're there, everything is laid out visually, so it's much easier to scan than digging through the message history. You may also notice that with recent updates, canvases and lists live alongside your files in this same tab. This helps keep your notes, checklists, and visual documents close at hand. If you see these options, don't worry, it just means you can jump between files, canvases, and lists without leaving the conversation. Now it's time to browse or search. If you're not sure what you're looking for, simply scroll through the gallery to view all images, videos, and documents that have been shared. Thumbnails and file names will help you recognize what you need at a glance, and you can open any item directly from this view. If you remember a keyword, a file name, or part of a title, use the search bar within the Files tab. Type in what you know, maybe a client name, a document keyword, or a file extension, and the results will immediately narrow down to matches from this conversation. This search is especially helpful when you're on a deadline and need to pinpoint a specific file fast. That's all there is to it. Open the right channel or DM, click the Files tab at the top, and then browse or search to find exactly what you need. With this approach, you'll save time, avoid confusion, and keep your work moving smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.